Tutorial number 1. Flower Money Bouquet. Hi everyone! This is Mami Mao at share ko po sa inyo ang paggawa ng Flower Money Bouquet. Materials are at least 6 bouquet wrappers, plastic bag for money bills, barbecue sticks, tape dispenser and scissor, flowers and butterflies for decorations, and ribbon of your preferred size. To start, make sure na nakaunat po ang mga bills. Isa-isa yung ipasok sa kanilang plastic. Have to be of the same direction. And then, ikat po natin ang mga excess na plastic. Then, isa-isahin i-fold at i-tape ang dulo ng mga ito. I-tape ang stick sa likod ng bills. Gawin ito sa lahat and make sure na hindi ito lulundog. We will set aside the bills and proceed to the styrofoam. Kung meron po tayong mga gamit o pinagputulang styro, okay na po yan. That way, tayo po ay nag-recycle na din. Okay, so we get the styrofoam and cut it into our desired size. In this video, we used 1/2 inch of styrofoam and we created 4 identical sizes. Glue them together and creating a handle, covering it with scotch tape. And we're done with our handle. So we can now arrange our bills. Accordingly, unahin po natin yung smaller bills sa ilalim, yung 100 bills, at yung mga nasa topmost po naman natin, pwedeng i-extend ang sticks by adding another one and combining it with tape. And that's it. This is our base for Flower Money Bouquet. We will now be using our bouquet wrappers. Starting off with our right side, i-tape maigi ang ating wrapper to make sure na hindi ito matatanggal, and then followed by a wrapper for the left side, which will be identically folded as we did for the first one. We will repeat the procedure, but this time, we will start at the left side. Regarding sa colors po na ating gagamitin, it is your discretion kung ano po ang combination of colors that you will prefer to choose. At this point, we're almost at 80% of our project, and we will make sure na nakatape po ang ating mga wrappers, followed by cutting one of our wrappers and reducing into a smaller piece. Like this, mag-create naman po tayo ng smaller ruffles. We will do the same procedure until makover po natin ang almost half ng ating handle. Ang ganda rin po na matuto tayo ng pag-create ng ating sariling arrangements. Mainam din po na matutunan natin ang paggawa ng sarili nating Flower Money Bouquet. Maaari po natin itong magamit panghanap buhay at maaari din naman po natin itong gamitin for our personal use as gifts para po sa ating mga loved ones or sa ating mga friends. Sa pagpapatuloy po natin ng ating money bouquet, nilalagyan ko na lamang po ito ng fillers. Ang karagdagang mga raffles po ang siyang magbibigay ng volume sa ating Flower Money Bouquet. Ulit-ulitin lamang po ang steps ng paggawa ng maliliit na raffles hanggang sa ma-achieve natin ang desired na kapal na nais po. Next ay pwede na rin po natin idagdag ang ating mga flowers. Maaaring ito po ay artificial or fresh flowers, and then ang ating mga butterflies. At this point, ina-assemble ko na po ang ready-made ribbon na aking nabili sa isang bookstore dito sa Dinagpihan, Bataan. You may use a bigger size of ribbon according to your preference and according to the availability sa inyo pong area. And now, babalutan naman po natin ang handle ng ating bouquet. Getting another wrapper, cutting it into half, and then folding it around our handle. Siguraduhin po natin na mahigpit ang ating pagkakadikit at nakatape po itong maigi. And we are now ready to attach our ribbon. And that's it guys! After watching this video, you are now ready to create your own Flower Money Bouquet. Kung nagustuhan ng video ito, please like, Kung may natutunan, please share. Always remember, sharing is caring. Thank you for watching.